Hello, this is Arthur again. Today we have a 2019 BMW 540i. It has 51,000 miles. It is carbon black metallic and has this beautiful brown interior. It's here to get a new flex disc on the driveshaft installed, a Guibo. The rear one is pretty cracked up. It's fairly common on these cars to have that issue, on all European cars and some American cars or Japanese cars as well, but mostly European cars tend to use this rubber piece that goes on the drive shaft. It's for dampening reasons and to make the noise and vibration less. And it starts to crack. On these, for some reason, it cracks more than on the older models, I've noticed, on this newer G series. And I'm going to show you the part I'm going to be installing in a quick time lapse, and then just main points, what it needs to be done to complete this job. Okay, let's take a quick look from the outside and inside of this beautiful car. It is a M Performance package car in very nice condition. The owner acquired it not that long ago and it is in very nice shape. I do like the color combination. It looks very nice. A lot more interesting than your typical white with black or just black. It does have soft closed doors, which is a nice option. I always like soft closed doors. It does have a few modifications, exhaust and a few other things on it. It does look like it has wider than stock tires in the rear. I don't know, maybe I'm mistaken, but overall in very good shape. Beautiful car. Alright, now let's take a look at what needs to be replaced. Okay, here's underneath this 540i. This is what we're going to be replacing today. It's the flex disc. It's very cracked up. I'm not sure what it is, if they changed the material or these cars are heavier and have more power or something. But on this newer G series cars, these Guibos wear off really fast. I replaced a few of them already, and especially on the higher horsepower ones, 540, 550, they seem to wear off very quickly. Here is the new part that is going to go in from a BMW dealership. Here's the part number. There might be some differences on them, on different ones, so you gotta make sure you check with your vendor. But as far as replacement goes, I'm going to have to remove the lower exhaust, lower this heat shield, this support bar, and then I should be able to have access to the Guibo. Possibly will lower the center support variant as well. Okay, let's see how it goes.